Well, we've just found another waterfall that appears to drop almost directly into the lake. This is a small stream that's got some water in it today.
Intermittent stream and intermittent waterfall, so it probably wouldn't count.
Because there was rain last night, so this pretty forest here has a nice stream, and you can hear the waves breaking down below.
Look at the red, how much erosion has already gone in.
Yeah, the water.
Down into the water.
You can see the water is kind of brown down there. So a lot going into the lake today. We're on one of the older roads now, still fairly close to the lake. And lots of water moving today. You can see it here coming down this roadside ditch. And it's coming in from a couple different directions. All of this water coming from higher up the shore on the ridges. But it does point out pretty dramatically that the lake receives from many, many different sources. And what's happening up on the hill and all the way down and then on Highway 61 is going to end up over in the lake. This is the other side of that culvert, and it's not very far down now, going that way. So when we talk about non-point pollution in any body of water, this is really what you're talking about. What comes from the land and other spots. That's why we all need to think about what we're putting on our lawns, gardens, and the roadways. Down the road. Into the mist. Well, this is the bike path that we're on here, the Gitchigami Trail. Still a very foggy morning, and we're glad we're not on the road, even though it has a wider shoulder. But one of the neat things today are all these waterfalls coming over the cut, the rock on the side of the road, and Mike is stopping at every single one. Yeah, I like that hat jacket, half on, half off. But I think he's going to maybe stop and take pictures of every one we pass, which could make this a slower walk. This is the Onion River, and you can see there's quite a good amount of water coming out of it this morning and running into those big swells out there, left over from the wind that we had the last couple days, and then it all goes and disappears into fog.